A very good afternoon to you all, dear students. So today we will learn the new topic under block 28. Okay, that is Central and South India physical division. Right? So this is a topic of our discussion for today. Yesterday we have learned about the North India, right? So today we will learn about Central and South India. Okay, physical division. So our aim for today is students will be able to identify the feature and explain the importance of the physical divisions of Central and South India. Resources needed is at last worksheet S2, notebook, your exit content book, and the teacher resource sheet, okay, which I will provide to you. Now the keywords that we will use today is island and ghats. Alright, what is island? Let us learn. A contiguous area of land that is smaller than continent, okay, totally surrounded by water, they are known as island. And what are ghats? A pair of mountain ranges in southern India, they are known as ghats, okay. So see, we have learned about the division in North India, right? So what are or which are the three main physical divisions of North India? Which are the three main physical divisions of North India? In our last class we have learned about it. I hope you still remember that, okay. So there are the three physical divisions of North India are the Himalayas, the northern plains, and the Thar desert. Remember that, okay. They are Himalayas, northern plains, and the Thar desert. So those are the three physical division of North India. So today we will learn about the physical division of Central India and South India, okay. Now you have to refer to the physical map of India, okay, in your atlas, and you have to identify the peninsula, the plains, and the island of Central and South India. So for that you'll be needing a physical map of India, okay. So this map is actually not so visible, alright. So you can always take with the help of your atlas book, okay, or any material consisting of physical map of India. Right, and you have to identify the peninsula, the plains, the island of Central and South India. I hope you are following me. Now, so from your finding, okay, if you find from your map, okay, from the map, physical map of India, what are the physical divisions of Central and South India? That is after your observation, you will come to know, okay, what are the physical divisions of Central and South India. Remember, Central and South India is referring to Central India is this one, okay, and South India is this. Alright, I hope you know the direction, okay. This is east, north, west, and south. So we are talking about Central India and South India, okay. So you have to find in that way. Alright, so so if you find, you'll see that the physical divisions are the Deccan Plateau, the coastal plain, and the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Alright, the Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island, Deccan Plateau, the coastal plains, you will find, okay, that they are the three physical divisions of the Central and South India. Alright, the Deccan Plateau. Alright, so the coastal plain, the Deccan Plateau. Alright, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, those islands you'll find, okay. Now I will show you a chart, okay, from the resource, and then what you have to do is you have to find a physical of Central and South India from the chart, okay. So this is the chart. I'll read for you, please listen carefully. So this is the physical division of India, okay, the Deccan Plateau, coastal plain, and the island. First of all, let us learn the Deccan Plateau. As I read for you, please listen carefully. Point number 1, what is the shape of the Deccan Plateau? Point number 2, name two hill ranges in the Deccan Plateau region. Point 3, Name 3 rivers flowing through the Deccan Plateau. Point 4. Name 2 states that is covered by the Deccan Plateau. Alright, that is about the Deccan Plateau, where you need to find all these 4 questions. Okay, coming back to the coastal plain. Point 1. Which coastal plains are broader, the western coastal plain or the eastern coastal plains? Name 2 rivers that is flowing through the western coastal plain and into the Arabian Sea. Name 2 rivers flowing through the eastern coastal plain and into the Bay of Bengal. That is about the coastal plain. And coming back to island. Which island group is closer to the Indian mainland? Which island group lies in the Bay of Bengal? What is the capital of Lakshadweep? And what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Alright, so remember, okay, you have to know where is Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Alright, as you can also see, okay, this area is Bay of Bengal and this is Arabian Sea. Alright, so accordingly you have to find the answer, okay, from the given situation. Alright, from the given chart you have to find the answer each. You don't have to write the question, you can simply note down the answer. Okay, you can pause the video, see the question for yourself and then find the answer with the help of physical map of India. Alright, so you have to refer to the physical and also the political map of India, okay, in your atlas, and you have to answer the given question about the physical division that is assigned to you in your notebook. Like I said, you can just write the answer. Okay, don't waste your time writing the question. All right, now after finding the answer you have to show me as well, okay, in your notebook. See the answer, as you can always compare your answer. The answer are, see, the Deccan Plateau, the Vidya range, Satpura range, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, all these are name of river. Okay, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, they are name of rivers. Similarly, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, name of a state, that is the coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain, the Narmada, Tapi, that is also name of a river. Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, they are also name of the river. Okay, and when it comes to island, Lakshadweep, Andaman, Nicobar Island, Kavarati, Port Blair. Alright, so those Kavarati and Port Blair, it is a name of a city under Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island. And when it comes to coastal plain, the eastern coastal plain, alright, that is the Narmada, Tapi is the number is name of a river, Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri. Alright, they are name of the river under coastal plain. So when it comes to Deccan Plateau, right, Vidya range, Satpura range, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri. So remember here, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri are name of a river that you'll find under the Deccan Plateau. Alright, and also Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, they are part of Deccan Plateau. Alright. Now the physical division of Central and South India, they are into three, okay, categorized into three division, that is the Deccan Plateau, the coastal plain and the island. Alright, so why is Deccan Plateau important for India? What is the importance of Deccan Plateau for India, and what is the importance of coastal plain and the island? Alright, we have learned about the importance of Thar Desert, the importance of the northern plain, the importance of the Himalayan mountain range, right? So what are the importance of Deccan Plateau, and what are the importance of coastal plain, and what are the importance of islands? Alright, so see, listen carefully, okay? The Deccan Plateau, we know, is a rich reserve of precious, okay, precious stones and minerals. Alright, so you'll find in Deccan Plateau. So the black soil is good for cultivation of crops. So also the coastal plains, they provide harbor and port for trade with other countries. Alright, so they are important for India. Similarly, fishing is an important occupation of the people living in the coastal plains. Alright, and also The beautiful white sand beaches and various water adventure activities at the island attract tourists from all over the world. Talking about Lakshadweep, talking about Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, the places are very beautiful. For that very reason, people from all over the world, they used to come and then they used to visit the place. All right. The last question. See, you have to refer to the physical map of India. All right, and you have to identify one main difference between the Western Ghats along the western coastal plain and the Eastern Ghats along the eastern coastal plains. So what you have to do is you have to refer to the physical map of India and you have to identify one main differences between the Western Ghats along the western coastal plain and the Eastern Ghats along the eastern coastal plains. Alright, so talking about western and eastern, let me show you. So remember, okay, this side is known as the western coastal Ghats, and then this side is known as the eastern coastal plain, okay, or eastern Ghats. All right, so you have to give one main differences between them, okay, between western Ghat and eastern Ghats. All right, I hope you know now. That is with the help of the map, okay. That is, you have to go through the physical map of India. All right, you have to go through the physical map of India under your atlas. All right, so you'll see that the western Ghats, they are higher and they are continuous, while the eastern Ghats, they are lower and discontinuous. All right, so the difference you'll find under eastern and western Ghats is in western Ghats they are higher and they are continuous. All right, while the eastern Ghats, they are lower and they are discontinuous. All right, so that's it. Now things to do for today. Okay, you have to complete 7, 8 and 9. Okay, practice question number 7, 8 and 9 along with your worksheet S3. All right, so this is things to do for today. Please, as you submit, don't just simply submit worksheet, but you also submit along with the practice question. Okay, thank you and have a good day.